Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2023 Hot Wheels. We have from the Holiday Racer series a Subaru WRX STI. Number 23 like the rest in the set. And it's number 3 of 5 in the set. Let's call it the series. In the series. Here's the other 4 you can get plus this one. And the last one I opened, I believe, was the Lancer Evolution. But I did, the last Subaru I opened was this Subaru Brat right here. Let's get this blue one out of the package now. So it's a 2021 copyright. Boom. Oh, I like this blue already. And it is metal on the blue. That blue is, it's almost, I don't even want to say it. It's not metallic. It's not quite Spectraflame. It's definitely unique. See if we can get that to come in. Very cool. Starting to really like the Subarus. It's got purple windows. Can't see the steering wheel. I know it's on the left, but I cannot see it, so I cannot confirm that. You might be able to see it in the video. Ooh, I think I see it right there. But those purple windows are pretty cool. I just can't see in. Plastic bottom. This car is made in Malaysia. All 4 wheels roll well and straight. So bounce on my racquetball track. Let's see. Oh, you gotta play with it. Make sure you're playing with your cars. It's the only way you'll know if they're cool. Oh, another flip over. There we go, nice and slow. Go squeezing the ball, and it flips completely over. A little bit harder. Boom! All right, backwards. Squeezing the ball backwards. Trying to get my jacket out of your way so you can see. There we go. Yeah, right to the center. Like it was a plan. Whoa, drifting's gonna be cool. Ready, set, right. Nice, I like that one. Yeah, this one goes best if you go a little slow. Right at the end, it'll like do a nice little looping skid. I love that. Nice, right there. That was perfect. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out with me. Let me know what you think of these holiday racers so far. I think I like this one. I think the Brat is probably my favorite. This might be my favorite colors. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Until next time, T10 out.